guys, I'm Betty Maxwell, Miss America 2016, and I'm excited to introduce you to the Microderm GLO. Over the past few years, I've noticed that all the travel and makeup has really taken its toll on my skin. We all know exfoliation is extremely important, but for me, finding the right product to actually get the job done has been a journey. I've tried so many different exfoliating products and scrubs, but really just felt like they were barely scratching the surface. With the Microderm GLO, you can finally bring professional microdermabrasion into your own home. I love using my Microderm GLO because I don't have to think when I use it. I look at the screen, it tells me exactly what to do, how long to treat each portion of my face, and I know I'm getting the best possible results. When I'm in a hurry, I love using the auto mode because it tells me exactly what to do. It's completely self-explanatory. But if I need to treat specific portions of my face for a short period of time, I know I can switch over to the manual mode. And with a charging base, the Microderm GLO is completely wireless, so you're free to use it however and whenever you need. With fast 4-minute treatments, in-home professional-grade microdermabrasion has never been so easy. The Microderm GLO has become an essential part of my skincare routine, so I couldn't help but recommend it to my mom, my sister, and anyone who'd listen. Trust me, I know firsthand how healthy skin can boost your confidence, and Microderm GLO is the tool to get you there. Because let's face it, healthy skin looks best. I would say that my insecurities all stem back to my skin and feeling like my bare face wasn't pretty enough, wasn't clear enough to go without makeup. And I didn't realize that there was a way to have clear, healthy skin until not that long ago. So I think the first time I became conscious of my unhealthy skin was around middle school when we all go through our awkward stage, but I felt like mine wasn't ending. I got into high school and I still had the same stress breakouts, the same blemishes, and it really hurt my self-confidence and my self-esteem, and I kind of just accepted that there was no way out. As soon as I became Miss America, I immediately felt the pressure of everyone expecting Miss America to be this perfect version of a woman. But little do they know that I have my own insecurities. A lot of that had to do with my own skin and not being confident enough to go out without makeup on, feeling like I can't go out unless I have a full face on or else people will see what my actual skin looks like. And lacking that self-confidence really brought me down because I wanted to live up to that idea of being Miss America. I just piled on the makeup to cover up the blemishes, to help myself feel more confident. But the makeup just made my skin even more unhealthy. So when I discovered Microderm GLO and I was able to start a routine that was simple, something that I could stick to, that really renewed my skin and gave me the confidence that honestly I didn't even know I was still lacking. So during my year as Miss America, my platform was called Healthy Children, Strong America, and it was all about helping kids to develop healthy bodies and healthy minds through eating correctly and exercising. Now looking back, I wish I had also included keeping your skin healthy. We always worry about diet and nutrition for our bodies, so why don't we do the same thing for our skin? And I never thought about it that way until now, until I discovered that I can have healthy skin too. It's a choice. It's a choice to take care of your body, and it's a choice to take care of your skin, and you have to make that choice. The way your skin is now doesn't have to be the way it is in the future. I didn't think that I would ever have smooth enough, healthy enough, clear enough skin to be the ambassador of a skincare line. You can have healthy skin. Your skin does have a bright and better future. You just have to use the right products. And for me, Microderm GLO was the answer to my prayers.
Let's unbox the Microderm GLO Diamond Microdermabrasion Machine. It's a suction tool and it's to tone and firm up your skin. It is an advanced system which has an exfoliator for bright, clear skin. It brightens your skin tone, it rebuilds collagen and elastin. It has 2 different heads. One is a massager and one is a fine tip as well. As you can see here, you can set it for the auto mode, and it starts with the cheeks, and then I switch the head and I do the smaller tip with the nose. And each one is 1 minute long. You could use this on a woman or a man. Now I switch the tip back to do the chin. So it is a little bit challenging with the beard, but I am able to do it. Then I switch to the forehead. So we started with the cheeks, then the nose, then the forehead, and then it will go for 1 minute at a time. And then we go to the neck area in downward motions. So you're gonna go in a downward motion each time. And this is great for at-home use if you want to tone up your skin. It's really great. You can do it at home, saving you tons of money. It's just wonderful. You could put it in a manual mode or an automated. Then at the ends, you're going to use the serum, and you are good to go with your glowing skin. Check it out.
This is the Microderm GLO Diamond Microdermabrasion Machine and Suction Tool. It basically gives you a microdermabrasion treatment at home, and what I love about it is that it's going to give you that firm, tight skin, and it actually helps to exfoliate. I recommend at least once a week. You can do it a couple times a month if you want, but it does have this diamond head, and what that diamond head does is it actually will exfoliate, and this actual piece will actually suck away all the sebum and all of the blackheads. Helps you with brighter, clearer skin. Also reduces fine lines and wrinkles, and you can do basically a bunch of different techniques, and you want to spend at least about 1 minute on each area and just kind of start slow. What this is going to do again is it's going to exfoliate and really keep your skin clear. It's going to get all of that nasty stuff that builds up in our skin, especially around the nose. And you know, when you go to a spa and you want to get a microdermabrasion, there's going to be a lot of things that come out. So this diamond head actually comes out. There's a little pad on there, and you get extra diamond heads as well as extra pads in this kit. Brightens the skin tone, rebuilds collagen, elastin. It's medical grade, so it is the medical grade diamond exfoliation tool, and you can do this at home. So if you normally go to a spa, or if you spend a lot of money on microdermabrasion, try it yourself. Save a little money in the long run, and everyone in your family can use this, which is great. It's great for teens, tweens, it's great for adults. It's really great for everyone in the family. So definitely check this out. You'll see visible results and get that gorgeous skin really in 4 minutes, because again, you can just do different areas for about 1 minute and start there. And so yeah, definitely check this out if you're in the market for really taking care of your skin and having your skin more glowy, more dewy, rather than covering it up, especially with makeup. So definitely check this one out right here on Amazon.
Random Amazon finds you never knew you needed.
If you have not yet tried microdermabrasion, I'm telling you guys, this tool from Amazon is a total must-have. This uses a mix of a diamond head with suction to leave your skin incredibly smooth and rejuvenated. This one is also great because it has a timer telling you exactly where to use the tool and for how long. Once it beeps, you know to move on to the next section of your face. It has different suction settings. I always recommend starting out on a lower suction setting and working your way up as you feel comfortable. Results you will see using this include smaller pores, more toned skin, softer skin, and overall radiance improvement. This is on deal of the day on Amazon today for the steepest discount they have ever offered. It is currently 66% off. This is a great way to take your skincare routine to the next level, especially if you're like me and trying to fight those early signs of aging. This thing is an absolute Amazon beauty must-have.